What if one of the biggest names connected to the Diddy legal saga suddenly revealed that she has no plans to return to the United States? That is exactly the latest development involving singer and dancer Cassie Ventura. A new court declaration has revealed that Cassie is currently living outside the United States and does not intend to move back, a statement that has immediately raised questions about the future of an ongoing legal battle. Why did Cassie make this declaration? How could her current location impact the case? And what does this mean for the continued legal drama surrounding Sean Diddy Combs? Stay with us, because this latest update adds another major layer to a story that has already captured worldwide attention. Welcome back to Diddy Unfiltered Daily, your source for daily Diddy headlines, breaking stories, reactions, statements, and controversies, all unfiltered. Before we continue, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think where someone lives should impact how a major legal case moves forward? Or should court proceedings continue regardless of location? Drop your opinion below. Now let's get into the latest update. Cassie Ventura has officially confirmed in a sworn court declaration that she currently lives outside the United States. The statement was included in legal filings submitted in connection with an ongoing civil lawsuit in California. According to the declaration, Cassie remains a United States citizen but is no longer a resident of California. And perhaps the biggest detail that caught attention is this. Cassie stated that she does not intend to move back to the United States. The declaration was submitted on May 1, 2026, and quickly became a major talking point because of Cassie's long-standing connection to the broader legal disputes involving Sean Combs, professionally known as Diddy. This latest filing does not simply reveal where Cassie lives. It also raises important legal questions about jurisdiction, court locations, and how cases involving people in different places are handled. According to reports, the declaration was connected to a civil lawsuit filed in California by Clayton Howard. The filing was reportedly intended to clarify Cassie's current residential status, something that became important as the court considers issues surrounding the case. Cassie made it clear that while she is still an American citizen, she does not currently live in California. However, the specific country where she now resides was not revealed in the documents. That detail has led to even more speculation online. Many people are asking why Cassie chose to publicly clarify her residency situation now. And the answer appears to be connected to the legal proceedings currently unfolding. The civil lawsuit involves allegations made by Clayton Howard, who has claimed he was involved in situations connected to Sean Combs and Cassie. Howard has made several allegations in court filings, including claims related to events he described as breakoffs. These allegations have been disputed and remain part of ongoing legal proceedings. Howard has also claimed that he suffered physical and psychological harm connected to these alleged encounters. Additionally, he has made claims involving exposure to a sexually transmitted infection and other allegations that are being contested through the legal process. Another claim mentioned in reports involves an alleged pregnancy and abortion, though these claims remain disputed. The lawsuit has attracted attention partly because Howard is also reported to have previously worked with prosecutors during federal criminal proceedings involving Diddy. That connection has placed him within the wider group of individuals linked to the continuing legal investigations and disputes surrounding the music mogul. But beyond the allegations themselves, Cassie's declaration focuses on something more practical: where the case should take place. According to her filing, Cassie explained that attending legal proceedings in New York would be easier because her legal representatives are based there. The current lawsuit, however, was filed in California. This difference has created questions about how the case will proceed moving forward. Her legal team reportedly used the declaration to clarify her current circumstances and address questions related to jurisdiction. Essentially, the court must consider whether California remains the most appropriate location for certain aspects of the case, especially considering Cassie's current living situation. And that is why this declaration has become such a major development. It is not simply about moving overseas. It is about how location, residency, and legal responsibilities intersect. The filing also carefully distinguishes between citizenship and residency. Cassie is still a United States citizen. But citizenship does not automatically mean someone is a resident of a particular state. That difference can become extremely important in civil lawsuits. For many people watching the situation unfold, this latest update is another reminder of how complicated celebrity legal battles can become. A case involving famous figures can quickly involve multiple states, different legal teams, and questions that go far beyond the original allegations. And Cassie's declaration comes as part of a much larger legal backdrop. Over recent years, Cassie Ventura has remained one of the most significant figures connected to the public discussion surrounding Sean Combs. Previously, Cassie was involved in legal action against Diddy, and reports indicate that the two reached a financial settlement in a previous matter. That settlement was reportedly around $20 million. Separately, another settlement reportedly involving the Intercontinental Los Angeles Century Hotel was also reached, with reports placing that amount around $10 million. These settlements have become part of the wider history surrounding the ongoing controversies and legal disputes connected to Diddy. However, settlements themselves do not automatically answer every question or resolve every future legal issue. That is why new filings, declarations, and court developments continue to attract attention. Every new document can potentially change how people understand the timeline, the relationships between different cases, and the direction of future proceedings. And Cassie's latest declaration has certainly created discussion. Some observers believe her decision to live outside the country reflects a desire for privacy and a fresh start away from intense public attention. Others are focused on what the move means legally and whether it could affect the current lawsuit. Meanwhile, supporters continue discussing the emotional and personal side of everything involved. Because behind every legal filing are real people dealing with years of public scrutiny, media attention, and difficult circumstances. For Cassie, this declaration marks another moment where her personal life and legal matters have become part of a global conversation. And as the case continues, more questions remain. Will the California court continue handling the matter? Will Cassie's overseas residency change anything about future proceedings? And will more developments emerge from the ongoing disputes connected to Sean Combs? For now, those answers remain unclear. But one thing is certain. The Diddy legal saga continues to evolve, and every new update brings fresh questions. Cassie's decision to publicly confirm that she lives outside the United States has now become another major chapter in a story that continues to dominate headlines. As more information becomes available, the public will be watching closely. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about Cassie's latest court declaration? Do you think living outside the United States will impact the case? Or do you think the legal process should continue the same way regardless of where someone lives? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you want daily updates on Diddy news, Sean Combs controversies, legal developments, celebrity reactions, and breaking stories, make sure to subscribe to Diddy Unfiltered Daily. Turn on notifications so you never miss the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.